Good morning to all my awesome friends. It is reminder time. We are reminding you, this is Grandma's big thing for the year. Christmas morning breakfast. It's going to be on December 4th, 2020. Anytime after 9 a.m. in the morning, California time. We don't care what time you put it up on Friday. I realize it's Friday. People are busy right now. People work. We have different countries that are joining in. Don't concern yourself. Just see when my video goes up, and when mine's up, you put yours up. We don't care. We're so lax over here on my channel. We just care about anticipation, people joining in. So I don't want you to be worried about anything. We would like the video to at least be less than 20 minutes. If it takes you longer than 20 minutes to put your meal or your video together, just edit it down to a 20-minute or less video. Mine usually are between 5 and 10 minutes, so don't really concern yourself too much about that either. Most important thing, we want you to join in, be a part of this, and let's just make it simple and easy. That's what I love, simple, easy. Now, if you want to make a really big, elaborate breakfast, tablescape, everything, because I know I have some elaborate friends that do some awesome things, go right ahead. Nothing is going to be said how big or how little anything is put together. What does Grandma want? She wants to see you there. That's all Grandma cares about. So let's just have fun. I'm going to maybe do a couple different breakfasts that are going to be really short, quick, easy, because you know Grandma doesn't do complicated or anything. She does simple and easy. And I just want to get this biggest turnout as we can for this year. I'm trying to make sure that when I do these big challenges, for me this is big. I realize compared to some of you guys this is nothing. Don't get me wrong, I do know that. But for Grandma, this is one of her big ones for the year. And I want to see as big a turnout as possible. And even if you don't really want to join in, please come and support us and come and see what the girls all came up with. I would really appreciate it. This is just a reminder, okay, because I know I forget all the time to join in, put my videos up. I get so mad, and then plus I work, so sometimes I can't get videos up on time because I'm at work. That's why I said don't worry about it if they're up late. I don't care. I really don't. Well, I'm going to let you go. My neighbor's starting to do his yard work again, and we're done. Kisses and hugs to all of you awesome people out there that are joining in, and I appreciate all the love and support you always show my channel. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.